In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a release version in Jira. If you're planning a product release, organizing deployment milestones, or grouping completed fixes into a single version, Jira makes that process much easier once you know where to find the right tools. A lot of teams lose time digging through project views when the releases area is not immediately obvious. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to get there and set up a version correctly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your Jira Cloud site. If needed, sign in through the official Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're on your main Jira dashboard, look for the Projects menu near the top of the screen and select the project where you want to create the release. This is important because versions are managed at the project level, so you'll want to make sure you're working in the correct space before moving forward. After the project loads, shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar. In that navigation area, look for an option labeled Releases or Versions. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the project setup, but it's usually easy to spot once you scroll through the available items. Click that option to open the project's version management area. Now that you're in the right place, go to the upper right section of the page and find the button labeled Create Version. Click it once, and Jira will open a version creation window. This is where you'll define the release details. Begin with the name field. Click into it, remove any placeholder text if necessary, and enter the version name you want to use. Keep it short, clear, and unique so your team can immediately recognize it later. A clean naming format helps a lot when you're tracking multiple releases over time. Next, set your start date and release date using the calendar fields. These dates help your team align release planning and reporting, so choose them carefully. Under that, you'll see the description box. Use this space to add a brief summary of what the release includes, such as the main features, bug fixes, or deployment scope. A concise description makes the version much more useful for everyone reviewing it later. Before saving, take a moment to review everything. Double check the version name, confirm the dates, and make sure the description reflects the release accurately. Once everything looks good, click Save or Save Version. Jira will then create the version and make it available for use across your project, so you can start assigning it to issues like bugs, stories, and tasks. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next